Welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, let's solve for x here together. Given 4 raised to x equals 100. Okay, so solution. So we have 4 raised to x equals 100. Okay, so first thing to do here is to bring the power down. And before we can do that, we have to take log on both sides. So we have log 4 raised x equals log 100. Okay, now when we're given log a raised x, okay, this one is a power rule, so it's the same as x log a. Alright, so this side will be x, half x log 4 equals to log 100. Okay, so x log 4 is same as log 100. Alright, so let's divide both sides by log 4. So we have x equals to log 100 on log 4. Okay, now let's reduce this. Okay, so we are going to do algebraic manipulation. Okay, we are going to reduce them. So what we are going to do here is to write the numerator as x. So 100 is the same as 25 times 4. So log 25 times 4 on log 4. Remember, log a b the same as log a plus log b. Okay, so this side will be x equals to log 25 plus log 4 on log 4. Okay, now when we're given c plus m on n, the same as c over n plus m over n. So we can write this one as log 25 over log 4 plus log 4 over log 4. So my x will be log 25 over 4 log 4 plus log 4 over log 4. Okay, let's confirm. Yeah, now from here we can write this one as x equals log 25 over log 4 plus, so this one will cancel 1. So it's the same as x equals to 1 plus log 25 over log 4. Now from here, 25 is the same as 5 squared, and then 4 is the same as 2 squared. Okay, so we can write this one as x equals to 1 plus log, so 25 will be 5 squared on log 4, that is 2 squared. Remember the power rule. Okay, log a raised to p, the same as p log a. So we have x 1 plus 2 log 5 on 2 log 2. Okay. All right. So this side will cancel. I'll leave with x equals 1 plus log 5 over log 2. Now let's observe this. Now when you are given log a over log b, the same as, so we have log a to base b. So this one is the same as that. So from here, we can write this one as x equals to 1 plus log 5 to base 2. Have log 5 to base 2. Okay. Now let's verify. So the question is the question is 4 raised to x equals 100. Okay. So let's verify. So we have 4 raised to x equals to 100. And we have this as our answer. So let's see. Now pay attention here. So from here, 4 will take a 1 plus log 5 to base 2. So we have this. Now don't forget that a to the power m plus n is the same as a to the power m, okay, times a to the power n. So this side will be, I want to check if we will get 100. Okay, so this side will be 4 to the power 1 times 4 to the power log 5 to base 2. Okay, so we have 4 to the power 1, 4 raised to log 5 to base 2. Let's check. Alright, now let's observe this one. We know this side is 4 times that. So let's observe this well. Now when we're given a raised to log m to base a, so we have a here, a down sign is m. Similarly, you can say x raised to log t to base x t. So let's change this. Since we have 2 here, let's change to 4. So 4 is the same as 2 to the power 2. Okay, times log 5 to base 2. Remember, this one will be a power rule, which will come here. 4 times 2 log 5 squared base 2. So remember the rule, 2 have 4 times 5 squared. And 5 squared is 25. So 25 times 4, which is 100, hence proved. Right. So subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. All right.